Hey everyone, so today we're going to be discussing ocean currents. The two ocean currents that we're going to be talking about is the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. These two ocean currents are very interesting because their differences are driven by their densities. So, what is density, or what's the formula at least, right? So, I have a quick way for you to remember that formula, just in case you've forgotten. So, what you're going to do, you're going to draw a heart on your piece of paper. Then you're going to put a horizontal line through the heart. Then you're going to set that heart equal to D. And then poof. You have the density formula. Now you get it. Okay, so the definition, though, this is from Webster, so bear with me. Okay, so they say that the compactness of an object. So density at the compactness of an object. So how compact that object is, it's how dense it is. So how I like to remember this, the definition of density is the amount of mass, so mass of an object, over like a volume, okay? So a particular volume. So we'll know the things with the greater mass over this, let's say, fixed volume would be the more dense thing. Okay, so the Pacific Ocean is often much colder than the Atlantic Ocean. So how are we tying this all back in? Well, let's think about this. Just like air currents, okay, warm masses, what are they going to do? They're going to rise. And then cold masses, they're going to sink. So when we're saying masses, we're referring to water in our case, okay? So if we have a substance that is denser then it should, in theory, sink, and underneath that less dense substance, okay? So that's going to be like our concept of density and how it works. So the cyclic motion of the cyclic, meaning going in a circle, motion of warmer water rising and colder water sinking, this is called convection. And since we're talking about currents, just attach current. So convection current. So it's going up and down, where the warm water going up and the cold water going down. And then when it heats up, it goes back into that cyclic motion. Okay? So being that, so now what I want you guys to do is tell me which one is denser and why. So which of our oceans is denser?